Okay, here's a quick look at the emini S&P for Tuesday, July the 5th, 2011. These are the market profiles that we're looking at here. This is what occurred on Friday during the regular trading hours, and this is what occurred today during the regular trading hours. So we had a very short day yesterday. The market was open for, I think, a couple of hours. Other than that, these are the market profiles where the market traded in the Globex session or non-RTH. So we were suggesting at the close of business on Friday that in around the 30 area the market could find some support. Here's 30 right here, and you can see that it did find some support. It dipped a little bit below it here, a little bit below it here, a little bit below it here. Other than that, stayed above and had a pretty positive close. So market is continuing to exhibit signs of a intraday auction up. No reason to believe that that's over, although obviously it's paused here a little bit, and I would expect also in the same area around 1330 to still continue to act as support. And if the market does rally overnight, it's likely to use in the area of today's high, which is in the 36 area, as support, with the expectation of the next levels around 42 and then 45. So the market's looking pretty good from a bullish standpoint. Here are the market profiles only, including the regular trading hours. You can see the big up day we had on Friday. Bit of a pause here today with a good positive close. Here is our software here with our trades, and you can see that these red down arrows indicate short trades, and the up blue arrows indicate long trades. This is a little different one, but it's green, but it still indicates an up. So what ended up by happening today, as you can see, we had a red filter for a good part of the day. However, that 30 area that I just mentioned and also mentioned on Friday as likely support allowed us to enter both of these long trades here down around our support. So we did have a trade here and then a second trade here, both of them long trades. And you might say, well, how could you be entering a long trade here in the red filter? This first trade here was in the green. Sure, that makes sense. Well, if we have two out of the three factors, the main factors going for us, we're going to go ahead and take that trade. So the intraday auction was up today, and we're at a known support area. So that's 2 out of 3, even though the filter was against us. So that's what ended up by happening today. We also took this third trade down here. This is from this third up arrow you can see right here, and it was filled here. It did bounce immediately, hit our first objective. Not filled, so we did lose 3 ticks on that, but we had really good gains on these long trades here. The first one moved a couple of points in our favor, and so no worse than a break even on the final fourth of that trade. So we're still able to take 3 points out of that trade. On this second trade, though, it had a really nice run. Obviously, we were not taking these short trades in here. Even with the red filter, there was no known resistance area to trade against, so none of those trades were taken. So we're actually able to stay on board this second trade for all the way up to here. Ended up by getting stopped out right here. So we had a nice 5-point gain on the final partial on that trade. That was a total of 8 points on that one. So we ended up the day with 11 points today off of. I'm sorry, we had the 3-tick loss there on that trade, so that worked out to 3 points. So we still netted 8 points on the day. So a nice day of trading, and we certainly look to see this market continue higher. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader. You can see it right here. And of course our phone number is also on our website, eminidaytrader.com. So thanks for taking the time to watch, and for those of you that were celebrating the 4th of July, I hope you had a good long weekend, and everyone else, I hope you had a good rest, and look forward to kicking off the second half of 2011 with a positive note, and we were able to do that today. So we'll look for many more of these days to come in the second half of 2011. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.